gonna sit down here and do my makeup. Look how cute these earrings are. They're little rain clouds with the raindrops. It's hard to see. One of them's, I think, yeah, the one in the middle's, there we go. Isn't that adorable? So, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do my makeup. I don't think I'm gonna do BB cream today, so we're gonna skip right into my bronzer. And I'll show you guys my updated, actually I've done two different things for my eyes lately. Today I'll show you one of them, and then another day I'll show you the other. Once I have my bronzer on, I go back in with powder. I don't know why this is how I do it, but it's how I do it. As you can see, I'm putting on absolutely no concealer, no foundation, no BB cream. Especially if my allergies are acting up and I'm gonna be rubbing my eyes. I mean, I'm gonna put on makeup, but today isn't overly horrible. If I was really just down and out from my allergies, which I think for me can actually be worse than a cold or sometimes even the flu, I wouldn't put like a stitch of makeup on, but, and, okay, so once I do that, then I'm gonna go in with another round of bronzing. I'm tired today without my BB cream, but I need to put my Burt's Bees complexion thing on. Now I'm going in with my blush, and I'm wearing this color, which is by Flower Beauty, and it's in Tea Rose. And I've been using this brush lately. I feel like it's actually been putting on pink onto my cheeks. I've been talking about how pink doesn't show up on me, but using this brush has, I think it's made it appear a little bit. All right, so here's the update that I do. It's with my eyes. Here's my other butter bronzer. As you can see, I hit pan, so that's why I got a new one, but I didn't want to throw this one away. So what I'm doing is I'm using it as eyeshadow. I don't know if you watch a lot of makeup tutorials or not, but sometimes I see the beauty gurus, whenever they're bronzing, they'll sweep the bronzer into their lid, but then like they'll do their eye makeup look, or some of them I've also seen just use bronzer like I'm doing here. And I'm like, why not? So I'm just sweeping this on my crease, not really going over my whole lid. Not that this is a makeup tutorial. Done getting ready. I decided actually to just throw my hair up into a bun today. And I like that because, you know, didn't have to apply any heat. And it just feels honestly more relaxing, I think, to just have my hair out of my face and all of that. So I'm done there. I'm gonna pour myself some orange juice now. You go outside? You go outside? Come on. Come on, silly. You coming? After the year ends, I'm gonna have a doggy door installed because Loxie's so peculiar when it comes to going out. I have to be like, it's a whole thing, but sometimes if I open the door, she'll go right out. But most of the time, I have to be positioned just properly. My tone has to be just right for her to want to go outside, because she's like sits there and I'm like, what are you doing? We've been doing this for 8 years. Like, what are we doing? You either want to go outside or you don't want to go outside. When I went on vacation this year, I actually had a friend take care of Loxie, and he had a dog and a doggy door, and he said Loxie loved it, used it all the time. So why do I feel like my scalp looks really white? Probably because I didn't bronze my scalp. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be sunny today. I thought it was only gonna be gloomy for like a couple of days, and I've been pleasantly surprised about the gloom and doom. Pretty much had a very lazy day. After I did, I don't remember, that I finally whipped out You've Got Mail. The significance of this is that I do not put this movie on until, for me, I feel that it's officially fall. So technically it's fall by the date, right? September 24th right now, but Alexa, when is the first day of fall?
In the United States, autumn began on Tuesday, September 22nd and ends on Monday, December 21st.
There we go. Absolutely love it. Such a fantastic movie. It's not more so for me watching because I've watched this movie. I've run it into the ground, but it's the sound, the music, the conversations, it's just so good. And I don't know, honestly, what I want to do with my day. I don't feel like I want to go anywhere. It's just one of those things, you know? Yeah. My hair's looking really crazy, so sorry about that, but honestly, I'm not going to do anything about it. So there's that. Dive into my book, and then I'll be reading that all night. Look at Loxy. Oh, too late. She was sniffing in there. Look at her. Are you just contemplating life or what's happening? Here she comes. It's gonna be a whole thing. She brought her bone. That's pretty much it. Also, I don't know. I'll show you guys some stuff that I got at Walmart. If you didn't catch my video on my main channel, I'll show you what I got. First of all, you can see that I did not make my bed today, and that's okay. Sometimes I don't make my bed. I got this matching, for me it's a pajama set, like a lounge set. So I got it's a straight leg, relaxed fit. I got the pants, which I love that there's pockets. And then the matching sweatshirt. just a plain sweatshirt. Looks like the Hanes, but it's time and true. So I got that. I need to clean my bathroom, but I'll take you guys through the closet. And on this rack, I've been keeping all of the new things that I've gotten. So this is between the 2 orders at Shein and then a couple of things from Walmart. So actually my last Shein haul, I didn't film this top. So I'm actually gonna end up doing this top as a Christmas gift for my daughter. So I'm just storing that away. I decided instead of me keeping it, I'm gonna use that as a Christmas gift. And then this top also wasn't in my Shein haul. I don't know why, I just decided not to do another outfit in the video. But anyways, so I got this top from, or this Sherpa pullover from Walmart, and I think it's so good. I'm gonna try to zip this back up. I love this color. I cannot wait to wear this color. It's so fall for me, I can't even deal. Then I got this Time and True coat. That's a dupe to the J. Crew coat. It's actually very similar, especially when you zip it up. The only difference is the pockets. The way J. Crew did their pockets was a little bit different. But otherwise, I think it's the exact same jacket. And then here's this Sherpa pullover, which isn't this just a cloudy dream? Like, this is something, if movie theaters were open, I would wear this and then I'd probably fall asleep in the movie theater. And then my favorite piece, which is this shirt jacket, is what Walmart's calling it, but it's lined. Is this also technically Sherpa? But yeah, I got this in the men's section. So there we go.